Okay, so hello to this tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to use this application. I just remastered, so it's more powerful, has more features, is better. So please download the new version of the date, or if it's your first time, download the application. So the course is here. This is a premium course. It's available for free. I just liberated. So you go to Elixir, you go to Elixir, you go to Elixir, and here, and here, and here, and top. Okay. Here you can see the lessons. You can make the favorite lesson 2, favorite lesson 2, favorite lesson 2, favorite lesson 2. Functional programming, installation, Elixir application, modules, recursion, great feature of Elixir, What is the difference between object-oriented programming with functional, default arguments, a new module, immutability, pattern matching again, the framework, list and tuples, collections. I'm gonna favorite also this, Elixir process, the anatomy of Elixir, Elixir maps. Okay, so finally you can go here to favorite, and I'm gonna go to courses, and I can access directly the lesson that I favorite. And also I want to say that I liberate the premium course that is for learning Android, so you can go here to courses, and it's for free. If you download this application, you will have this for free, so you can study Java, and you can learn by video with code. Here you can see the course of Java, commenting code, variable types. Here more about data types, booleans, floating points, arrays. We can swipe here to see all the code. Can come back. Can go like string arrays. Cars. Here is how you declare it. So you can have with cars 0 you can access. Collections. How the heritage of collections, exceptions, how to handle exceptions, break and continue for loops. Okay, so you can, when you finish, you can know that. Come here to courses again, and you will have a Firebase and Android course, so you can access. And finally, I will leave you with the certification. So you need to take this quiz and have all 7 of 10 right in order to certificate. So